Hello there! Hope you're doing well. Today I would like to share with you how I went from a blank panel to something super cute and easy to do. Alright, let's get started. I start by adding a black acrylic paint just so that I can have a contrast between light and dark. Once it's dry, I began sanding down so the wood would come through. Next, choose a color of your liking. I chose this beautiful aqua blue, essentially trying to blend the color along with the black. I did leave the second and the fourth panel alone because I definitely wanted to have that natural wood. It is completely up to you on how you want to do it. I applied a second layer just so that the color would be more vibrant. Once the paint has dried, I begin to pencil in the words. Once I'm done, it's time for Posca marker. Now, I'm not very good at printing in general, but I still had a lot of fun with it. Next, utilizing the Posca marker, I begin tracing where the flowers are essentially going to be. Now, online has so many examples of different types of flowers that you can utilize. I essentially went with something that is very light, different colors, things like that. So once that was dried, I began to start actually pressing in some of the flowers, starting with purple and then adding all the different layers. When I started painting the large rose, I ended up not liking it very much, to be honest. I ended up going over a few times and I still wasn't happy. In the end, I went for something that is not realistic. It still ended up looking really good though. If you like this video and would like to see more, Hit that like button and subscribe so you can be the first to see the next one. Bye for now.